All right. Hey guys, I'm feeling better this week. Let's get some analysis done. Super excited. Super excited. Sorry I didn't upload last week. Last week I pretty much kept it for my students. I had to give it to them, and I just felt too sick to do it over the weekend to post it on my blog and YouTube. But this week, either ways, I mean, it did follow my path beautifully. It just went up. Like if it broke above this, you should have just longed it. So that's what happened. It was a beautiful, like if you entered here, it would have been a very nice, about 100 pip move. So that was nice, I have to say. Regarding, one second, let me just adjust my desktop so I'm ready for it. So now we have that. I'm just going to redo everything. We're going to go through the same thing we always do. And now we can see that, you know, what's interesting is that, whoa, what the, 1 second. Oh, Wanda, okay. I swear it looked a bit different here. Okay. So yeah, we look like we're gonna close above. Obviously, you know, the thing is we haven't closed yet, but this is still a nice resistance. We can see that this right here, where this candle closed and where these candles closed, is a very nice resistance tool. And obviously we have this one right here at 106.2. So that's UJ, and don't forget it's in a triangle, so we're going to approach this area really quickly. So it could be here, and it could be 111.5, which I'll show you later, which is based on the weekly, but this is mainly based on the monthly at the moment. Okay, so let me take a photo for you guys. This will be on the blog tomorrow. I should stop saying when it's gonna be on, because I fucking upload it and that's when you guys see it. So that's USDJPY monthly. Yeah, so let me readjust this. So you can see why I see that, like that level 12.5 is quite an fucking hell, mate. Okay. So you can see already that this level is a very nice area, because if you look over here, as the candles close, there's candles close here, there's candle close here, and it's a strong psychological level. Obviously, I'm just gonna move this here. So 110.2, and then we have another level that we are soon to approach, which kind of we're touching the wicks of it already, but I always look at candle body closing, and I'll make it at 11.5. 11.4 might be a bit better, but I'm gonna keep it with a stronger psychological level. That will be interesting for us to see. Another area that's of interest is a possible pullback, right, is here. But I mean, if you think about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 straight weeks of bullish candles, the thing is, when that happens, you obviously can see that, you know, we're gonna have a pullback sometime soon, but obviously it's still very bullish. There's no particular reason what's going to happen. If there's any time when we reach these levels right here, 12.5, 11.5, around this trend line, what we're going to find ourselves in is a possible like ranging. If there's an engulfing like this, I'm gonna fucking hammer the shit out of it. So yeah, that'll be interesting, because overall, like I said, if you look at market structure right now, right, we do have a bullish flag after this big move, but it won't be confirmed until it breaks above this high of 111.4. If that happens, we can be sure to go see the highs of 121. But at the moment, we are still, even though overall the market structure is bullish, right now, looking at this area only, we can see that we're still we're in a bearish trend, because we took out this low, we created a lower low, we have respected this area again, we dropped, created a lower low. So we're looking for potential lower high. Doesn't mean it's going to form, but we're looking for a potential lower high. That will allow us to see if we want to go down or we want to continue up and possibly break this bullish flag on the monthly level. Okay. Now we go to daily. Okay, the trend lines are gone. So here is something interesting. We clearly look like we're exhausted, but this won't, you know, say anything that we're gonna go up or down. If we want to go down, we want to next daily close under this candle. If you will read like the candlestick Bible or anything about candlesticks, look about the formations. I'm doing a book soon that's gonna release, but I'm taking quite a lot of time because I want it to be right. So everyone's asking me about when mine is coming out, but mine's going to take time. Honestly, everything I'm doing with you guys on the weekend is what's going to happen. And plus, it's only going to be available to my students. If people want to read it, I'm going to put it for a stupid fucking price. Obviously, C9 family is going to get it. And they're 100% going to get it. Besides that, anyone who wants it, you know, you can fucking buy it if you're lazy. But honestly, all you have to do is watch the video that I do every week. This is literally what I do every week, and also just read my previous book, and then just read other books. You know, I mean, I can release the books that you guys should read, but besides that, honestly, if you're gonna be lazy, it's not my fucking problem. Honestly, you can fucking pay stupid money. Yeah, so this is interesting at the moment. Technically, if you put this candle close right here at 111.1, and if you look candle closing here and this candle close here, 110.8 looks really nice, right? It looks very good actually, like this area right here. So don't be surprised if we do break down. So I prefer doing this here. So we have the wicks and candle closing. So I'm actually move this to 111. Yeah. I'm gonna do it at 111, so we can have a look there. Obviously, I would keep it here, 111.2, but I'm just gonna base it on this because this is what's gonna be interesting. I'm sure if I put it here, you guys are gonna wait, but we're in an interesting spot at the moment where we could actually potentially go down if we have a nice daily close. And our next area we're gonna have to look at is this area. Obviously, this is the part, if we break this support of 109, we're gonna go down. If we don't break it, we're not going to go down. Okay, this is simple market structure. And now we look at the 4 hour. 110.2 doesn't look that great. I'm going to move this here to 110. I had 110.2 if you guys remember, but now I'm going to readjust everything. This was the nice resistance that we had at 110.4. So now you can clearly see, you know, 108.5, yeah, but now we have to readjust it. So I'm going to readjust it to about, I'm going to move it here, 108.8. If we break 108.8, this area, and we close, actually if we close under here, right, we will go down. What I had to buy, here, man. I had to buy here. Close at 108.8. Oh, hurts my soul. It's another 200 pips. Oh, it'd be nice. But EU, I got more out of that. Okay. So yeah, looking at this, I'm just going to focus on this area. The next area is 111.5. So here you can see clear bullish structure. No reason to short. I want to short, obviously I do. I can't buy a buy. I can't take a buy anymore. You know, looking at buys, my next target isn't there yet. And in my opinion, it's a bit risky. So this is what I see. Obviously, possibilities. I see a drop. Maybe it just goes up. But what I'm saying is it could drop. And next level, 1.5. Where'd it go? Whatever. Okay. 111.5. Let me fucking draw it. Where did I fucking move it, didn't I? That's where I see. After that, we have to wait. I'm not going to put any more predictions. Obviously, we can come retest and something like that. and then we could go down. Fuck it. We can go down or up. So we could just drop, let's say, based on whatever, you know. Where is it? Where's my 111.5? I moved it to 111, right? Yeah, so just showing you based on here, this level right here, we could touch it. Probably it will go higher. Right, it could go higher to 112. We'll see. But that's what I'm basing it on. Okay. And then, but it could go higher, right? I'm just gonna. Okay. Let me just make it look nice. So that's a possibility of what could happen. This straight line pretty much means like up and down, you know, like breaking structure. But here, this would be interesting because this is technically kind of our lower high at the moment. I could see it going down to this area, 109.8, and then pretty much just probably retest, right? And then go down, right? So I'm not going to do the normal things I usually do. If it goes down here, probably retest here, and then go back down to this level, 107.8, retest, and then go down, right? So that's kind of what I can see happening. It's up to you guys to wait and kind of do your own visualization. I can't always do all the visualization, then it'll just be fucking arrows everywhere. But yeah. So I mean, it looks like a very clean week. I'm not really looking to get into much because like I want to end my April month positive. Don't want to take extra risks when we're kind of a very strong resistance soon. I like to sell high. I've become very patient with my trades nowadays. So obviously this is next path and the big one C. This big C, the big drop could happen, right? So I've become very patient with my trades, very patient, as in I haven't traded really. If I take a trade, I might get out instantly if I just see. So I think I took GBP USD sell, and yeah, I pretty much just closed it. Regarding actually, I know for a fact this is a nice level. So I'm actually just gonna move. Well, I mean, fuck it. You guys know what I mean. You're gonna hit this, retest, and go down. I'm gonna draw it. It's gonna make my chart look messy. But yeah, it's just because you guys can't see why I chose 106.2, but on the other level, you guys can't. Okay, USDJPY prediction. Actually, I'm not going to call that prediction. Visualization. I'm changing it. Everyone's like, you didn't predict shit. Fuck you. And it's like, I don't. You just put lines. I'm like, fucking look at the fucking video. Stop asking me shit. I ain't here for signals. All right. Sorry. That's this and gold and EU coming, and I'm gonna do a video on confluences, so watch out for that.